Hi, in this video you learn how to update a cell in a Google spreadsheet. So let's use our example here, whether private is the spreadsheet I'm working on, and I'm currently in the 2013 worksheet. Let's say I want to update this number here, this cell, from -19 to -29. Now there are two ways to do this, two different methods. One method allows you to update that cell using the A1 notation coordinate system, so the internal, the native Excel sheet or Google Sheet system, which means you want to point to that cell using, in this case, E5, that kind of coordinate system. So let's do this first. I imported gspreads, I establish a connection here, got the spreadsheet object in here, got the worksheet out of the spreadsheet, and then update a cell. So you want to point to the worksheet object where the cell is, and then use the update method, which gets a string, and this is the E5 coordinates. Yeah, it was E5 here. That's the first argument. The next argument is the new value you want to give to that cell. So let's say -29. So from -19, we change it to -29 and run. As I wait for the script to execute, I'm going to wait and see if the change is made real time. So I expect that the worksheet will be updated with the new value without me refreshing the browser. Yeah, so here we go. Now we got -29 as the new value. Now, next, let's use a more mathematical coordinate system. So, which means we want to count 1 column, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, fifth row, fifth column. Again, update a cell based on row column. Worksheet update cell. And this gets 3 arguments. So the first one is the row 5, the column, and the new value, -39, for example. Execute. And we got the new value updated. So here we go. It was -29, now we get -39. And that is how you update a single cell. In the next video, we will update an entire column. So see you there.